Y'all ready for this? Welcome back with Angry Johnny and Dolph Trades on this beautiful Thursday. What we are on is the forexfactory.com calendar. You should always check this. Tomorrow, Friday the April 4th, we have some big news drivers coming out tomorrow from 8:30 till 11:25. Non-farm's a big one. You could see the market do some crazy things. I do not trade during this time. You do whatever you want. I don't do it. I've seen this thing go and take everybody out. It does it all the time. But what is a good thing to do is just watch it and see how it reacts, okay? So you could trade the evening session. The evening session usually starts around like 1:30. So what I'm going to show you now is we're going to drop into XRP. I'm just going to give you my thoughts on what is going to happen. So this right here that I have marked out, this is that news high. This is the other day, yesterday, when Trump spoke. So what happens is they'll create this news high, right? Some people call it a data high. And a lot of times the market will gravitate back toward that. Okay? Now, that doesn't mean it's going to happen right away. You know, it could take some time. Because if we're looking at this, we're on the day chart, we're on the XRP. I still have this low marked out right here for my sell side liquidity here with this line. Because I believe that we could gravitate toward this and then go higher to take out this data high, or we could blow through this and go and take the data high first to get everybody thinking it's going up, then come back down to this. You never know until the day of, right? That's why right now we're just speculating on what's going to happen. But if you look at this, we're still in this inefficiency here. And I'm going to drop us down to a 1 minute chart. Excuse me. And if you see right here, this middle line of this inefficiency is what I have marked. And the center line where I'm at now is that mean threshold, the 50% middle point. And if you notice, if you look to your right and you look through all this, do you see how we keep coming up and hitting this? Do you see that? What a lot of retail traders are going to see that as a resistance line. And usually when you hit resistance, then it wants to go lower. So that's kind of got me in a weird position, because a lot of times they'll trick people into thinking, okay, look at this, we've hit resistance, we've hit resistance, we're going to go lower again, and they go higher. So you really have to just wait for the day and see what happens. So what I'm thinking, if excuse me, if we go above this, like I've said before, this inefficiency, we're going to target this data high. If we don't get above this inefficiency, we're going to target, go back to that low on the daily chart. We're going to target this sell side here. So if we break that inefficiency that I have right here, we're probably going to try and charge up and take out this data high. If we don't, I'm thinking we're going to take out this low right here, and then we're going to hit this. So you just have to keep an eye on it and make your own decisions. So then I'm gonna show you also. I want to go into, let's go into Bitcoin. Same thing. See how we have that same news high. That's that day Trump spoke. Data high. So we could gravitate up toward this. This one, we could just expand right off the bat and just boom, shoot up and take it out. Because if we look here at this low, so this low is taken out this low. This low is lower than this low. So that means they came down, took out the money, Now they could possibly go up to take the high of this candle and then aim for the high of this wick where that news stat is. We just have to wait and see. Then I'm going to take you to NAS, the NASDAQ. NASDAQ. So here we are on the daily chart. We have that news high, the same news high. It's on every freaking thing. We have this sell side that we have taken out also on the daily chart. So we're kind of at that position where we could keep dropping and go to take out this low and then come back into this little inefficiency right here, this candle, all these up close candles. So we could take this, wick into this, and then go higher, or we could start the day off where we come up higher, hit this, take this out, come up into this inefficiency right here, this gap, if you will. I'll just go ahead and mark that real quick for you. From that to that. And we could come up and hit this and then roll over. So you just have to wait and see how the markets react and don't jump the gun. So tomorrow could be crazy. Like I said, I wouldn't be trading any of this time from 8:30 all the way to 11 a.m. I wouldn't mess with the market. If you do, that's on you. You learn the hard way. I know I have. Hope you like this video. Talk to you later. Thoth Trades. Angry Johnny. Bitbird. Wagga wagga. Squawk.